Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am here with PYQs of multiple choice questions of QU. So if you like the video, please share and subscribe. So question of these MCQs are of QET economics, which is also useful for UPSC, BPSC, JPSC, all examinations of economics. So question number 1, which of the following is not a macroeconomic issue? Options: A, the study of relationship between the unemployment rate and inflation rate. B, the forces determining the price level in an individual market. C, the determination of total output in the economy. D, the aggregate behavior of all decision-making units in the economy. Answer is B, the forces determining the price level in an individual market. Macroeconomics deals with the economy as a whole. Price determination of an individual market is microeconomic issue. Question number 2. France experiences an improvement in productivity due to improved technology. In terms of France production possibility frontier PPF, this change is shown as a movement along the frontier, B, a shift from a point outside the frontier to a point inside, a shift, C option is a shift from a point on the frontier to a point outside, D, a shift outwards of the entire frontier. Answer is D, a shift outward the entire frontier. Technological progress increases productive capacity, causing the entire PPF to shift upwards. Question number 3. Energizer batteries and Duracell batteries are substitutes. If Energizer cuts supply and increases its price for Duracell, equilibrium price and quantity what will happen to Duracell price, equilibrium price and quantity? A, rise. B, fall, rise. C, fall, fall. D, rise, fall. Answer is A, rise. An increase in the price of Energizer, a substitute, increases the demand for Duracell, raising both price and quantity. Next question, the demand for JIF peanut butter will decrease if there is an increase A, in the price of JIF peanut butter. B, the price of Peter Pan peanut butter. It is a substitute, Peter Pan. C, demand for jelly, a complement. D, the price of bread, a complement. So complementary goods are used together and substitutes are taken for one good, taken another good for one good. So answer is the price of JIF peanut butter. According to the law of demand, a rise in goods' own price reduces its quantity demanded. Next question. A 10% increase in the price of video games results in a 5% decrease in quantity demanded. The price elasticity of demand is and total revenue will be A, minus 0.5 inelastic decrease. B, minus 2 elastic decrease. C, minus 0.5 inelastic increase. D, minus 2 elastic increase. Answer is C, minus 0.5 inelastic increase. Elasticity is equal to 5% by 10% is equal to 0.5 is inelastic. For inelastic demand, total revenue